सबसे पहले तो धन्यवाद छत्रपति संभाजी नगर जीतो चैप्टर का, स्पेसिफिकली दिनेश जी और निखिल जी का, जिनसे मेरा फर्स्ट इंटरेक्शन हुआ और ये सेशन प्लान हुआ। जैसा कि आज आपका जो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग और इको समिट का टाइटल है, इंडस्ट्री एंड अपॉर्चुनिटी, आई एम देयर फ्रॉम BARC साइड, भाभा एटॉमिक रिसर्च सेंटर। ऐसा कोई है जिसने BARC का नाम नहीं सुना? ओके, सुना है। ऐसा कोई है जिसको पता है कि BARC में होता क्या है, कि सिर्फ नाम ही सुना है? Correct. Basically, BARC is known for nuclear power programs, specifically for power generation, radiation-related activities and all. बट प्रोबेबली आप लोगों को नहीं पता होगा कि BARC के पास में बहुत सारी टेक्नोलॉजी है जो आप सबके काम की है। Anybody knows about that? Anybody has taken any technology from BARC or known that BARC gives the technology to the industry for mass manufacturing? है कोई? है सर? ग्रेट। चलिए, कोई तो है। बट मोस्ट ऑफ देम डज नॉट नो दैट BARC gives technology. Not only technology, we do have many more opportunities for collaboration. My main motto to come here to tell you about how one can collaborate with BARC and get the advantage of the technologies available from the BARC. So there are different ways of collaboration in BARC. We do give licensing of the know-how of the spin-off technology to the industries through transfer of technology. BARC सामान नहीं बेचता, हम टेक्नोलॉजी देते हैं। आप टेक्नोलॉजी को लीजिए और उसका मास प्रोडक्शन कीजिए और आप बेचिए। सो वी डू गिव टेक्नोलॉजीज। अनदर थिंग, technology development and incubation of technology with industries. We do have Atal Incubation Center named as AIC Anushakti. We have Section 8 company known as AIC BARC Anushakti Foundation, associated with Atal Innovation Mission Niti Aayog, funded by them, and we are giving incubation opportunities under that Atal Innovation Center. Then we give business incubation for startups. हमारे बच्चे जो कॉलेज से बाहर आए हैं उनको बिजनेस करना है। बिजनेस करना तो है, पर बिजनेस क्या करना है नहीं पता, कैसे करना है नहीं पता। मैं एक अपॉर्चुनिटी लेके आया हूँ आप सब लोगों को बताने के लिए कि हम किस तरह से जीतो के अंडर में हमारे जैन बच्चों को टेक्नोलॉजी देके, फंडिंग देके उनको बिजनेस प्रपोज कर सकते हैं। आई विल टेल यू अबाउट दैट. Another important way of collaboration is Akriti Kendra. We'll discuss about that. Then we do have, BARC has many labs, many instruments, many facilities which are high-tech. We can give option to use them. Once in Chennai, I went to one JBN program. There, that time chairman Sri Srimalji Jain, who wanted to use radiation facility for some of his pharmaceutical product, he came to me, he asked me how I can use BARC for giving this pharmaceutical a special dose of radiation. I want to test it. So I facilitated him free of cost, and he was happy with that this facility could be arranged from BARC. So we do have many facilities like that, and we can collaborate on that facility. If the project is good enough, बड़ा काम है, तो मेमोरेंडम ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग या एग्रीमेंट करके भी BARC के साथ में हम कोलैबोरेशन कर सकते हैं. There are 200 plus technologies available in BARC. We have segregated those technologies in this categories: agriculture and bioscience, radiation technology, advanced instrumentation, medical equipment, engineering, environment, chemical, and water technologies. In each of them, there may be around 50 plus technologies. Around 200 plus technologies are available from BARC for technology transfer under these things. I hope everybody from this hall will be having some of the use case of under these technologies. You just go through these technologies and find out which is useful to you. We can discuss on those technology and how this technology transfer can be done. I will explain you. I do not want to go into these details because there are multiple technologies available from BARC. I just put some of them name. This is fertilizer. If anybody is there, one can go. One can read those technology details and can come to me, discuss with me what is this technology, how it can be useful, how this technology can be taken from BARC. All these things can be discussed. I am there tomorrow also. I will discuss with this. So if you see the technology fees for this technology is 2,50,000 rupees. Detail about this technology can be available from this QR code. Helium leak detector, anybody in the piping solution who can take this technology. Tungsten filament based scanning electron microscope with imaging solution of 20 nanometers. Technical thing, if you are in that field, you are welcome to take this technology. Production of abrasive grade boron carbide powder, 3 tons per annum. That is the one. Bhukanwala Industries is there in Mumbai. They have taken this technology, very good use case, and they are giving good revenue to this because we give this technology with royalty. So 2% royalty we charge per annum for the product what they sell. Low carbon ferroalloys, again, all these technologies are somewhat specific to the industry. If you are from that industry, you can understand what is the use of this industry. And the technology fee, if you see, it will be very minimal. It is very small because BARC is a government organization. We do not want to earn out of this technology transfer fee. Then 70 kilojoule, 20 kilovolt electromagnetic manufacturing equipment. So applications, electromagnetic forming, welding of metal sheets. EM Techniques has great potential in automobile, electric, defense, aeronautical, and other industries. Just go to the website, try to understand how it is useful to your industry, because most of you are from the automobile industry. See if it is useful for you. Production of high purity copper oxide nanoparticles from depopulated printed circuit board, e-waste. If anybody is there from e-waste, you can use this technology. Somebody was asking me robotics, AuroClean, autonomous robot for cleaning, maybe for a hospital, for industries, for hotels, which is having good space. This automatic robot can clean everything. Emergency Institute advanced leakage arresting device for piping. So if somebody is there from this field, one can use this technology for arresting the leakages. Those who are working in industry, it is very useful for them. Again, radiation related thing, teletherapy source transportation flask. Hydrogen gas sensor, very important technology. Serial coordinate measuring system, robotics, again. Freestanding carbon nanotube seeds, CNT seeds, very useful for the industry. Electrodes and battery manufacturing industries, those who are in the field of batteries, it is very useful for them. Argon plasma torch, that is used in industries such as manufacturing, construction, automotive, and metalworking. Just go to this site and understand if it is useful to you. Large-scale synthesis of carbon nanotubes, same, multiple applications. Portable room temperature ammonia sensor, a very hazardous gas. If you are working in that field, you can use this technology for that. Tabletop static gas sensing unit. Multiple gases can be sensed using the same device. Cellulose-based water purifier for arsenic removal. Water purifier, there are multiple types of water purifiers are available. Very good technology. We have given 50 plus technology licenses around the India. Multiple persons are manufacturing it. Chlorine dioxide releasing polymer for water disinfection. Very good for food and beverages processing industries, healthcare industries, paper and pulp mill industries, industrial water treatment systems can be useful. If you see the TT fee, it is only 1,10,000 rupees. Radiation assisted adsorbent technology for textile effluent decolorization. Textile industries are there, can be useful for them because you have to decolorize the water from the effluent. So that technology is very useful. Can be used for agriculture, for other domestic usage. Now, once you go through all these technologies, if you want to take the technology, what you are supposed to do? Simple. Online application form is there. I will tell you the link. You have to pay 500 rupees fee for the application. Once you pay the application, it will go to the respective officer in charge, and then officer in charge will talk to you. If you want to see the technology, you after 500 rupees payment, you can come to BARC or you can go to the place where we have installed the technology and can see that technology. You can discuss about the technology with the developer scientists also before you take the technology. So once the technology transfer application form is submitted, party evaluation is done either by online or by the offline by visiting to the applicant office physically. Once satisfied, vendor evaluation form is signed by the developer, head of division, etc., etc. Then one terms and condition form is sent to you. That is this is the technology transfer fees. If you want to renew this license, it will 5% of the technology transfer fees. When BARC is purchasing from you, you have to give 10% discount. Some standard broad terms and conditions are there, which will be sent to you. Once you are agreed on that, you will be given a draft agreement, which will be signed. So you just go through the terms and conditions of the draft agreement. If it is okay, you sign the agreement. Then we will fix the agreement signing date. 24th June is the next agreement signing date. If you are willing to take the technology, you have to do it fast, and then we can sign the agreement on 24th June. Agreement is signing between BARC and the licensee. So this is very important takeaway from whole of this thing. Just take a picture of it. This is the link, aiscanusakti.org. QR code is there. You just go to this website, engage, that is a link, engage technology transfer, scroll down and click on the 8 different verticals icons which I have shown you. Just go to any icon, find out all the applications, get the details about all the applications, technologies, and then do the apply now. Fill the form, give 500 rupees plus GST, process will start. If required, you can visit the BARC for the demo and the technology or talk to the developer scientist also. You can do this online or offline depending on your requirement. So this is the website. I wanted to give online demo, but internet problem is there. So I have given just a screenshot of it. This is the website, aiscanusakti.org, technology transfer. Go to the engage. From the engage, you just click technology transfer, you will come to this page. 8 different verticals which I have shown is there. You just click to any of this vertical. You will see the list of all the technology available under that vertical. Just click to any of the technology. You will go to that page, read all the technology details, and technology code is there, technology fees is also there. After that, there is a button known as apply now. Simple, you just go to the apply now button and fill the form, and your form will be submitted. Officer in charge will talk to you after that. Now, so technology has been taken by you. Now you found out that I want to add a new feature to this technology because it is not directly relevant to me or my industry. So I want to add feature. How to do that? So there is a facility known as incubation center, Atal Incubation Center. You can come back to us saying that we have taken this technology, I want to add a new feature, how to do that. So our mentor scientists will talk to you, will discuss with you, and then incubation can be done for the same technology, that is known as in-house incubation. Okay, so in-house technology incubation, that is, technology is ours, and you want to add a new feature or scale it up, so you will put, you want to add a new feature, that is known as in-house incubation. Now somebody comes to us, sir, I do not want to take the technology, but because technology expert is available with us, with you, and I want to develop new technology. This is my idea. Can you work and can you mentor on this idea? So that is known as collaborative technology incubation. You give a 2-page extended abstract of your idea. We will search a relevant scientist who can guide you and can collaborate you for that idea. And then once it is feasible, we can go ahead with the collaborative incubation also. Next is incubation services. As I told you, we have students coming out from the colleges. They want to have their own business. They do not know what to do. So we are there to give you the technology. How this can be done, we will discuss. So this mode of incubation, this is application procedure is okay. Business incubation for startups. This is important. So technology is given by AIC. Business model is also explained to them, because this is a fixed, this is a very good technology from BARC. We have given this technology to n number of persons and they are doing good in their business. So business model is fixed. We will explain the business model. In very minimal capital cost, 3 to 5 lakhs or maximum 10 lakhs, business can be set up. So our students, Jain founders who wants to start the business can put this money either from seed fund, from loan, from parents, somebody can support it, or Jito can also support. We'll discuss about that. Facilities provided for seed grant from various funding agencies or business soft loan from banks at very minimum interest rate, or from the VC angel networks also can be suggested. Mass production can be started with technology from BARC and business mentorship from AIC. Now, Jito, where Jito comes into picture. Jito Apex and Jito Sambhajinagar, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, Apex persons are here. I would like to suggest this thing for them. Jito becomes the technology partner with BARC under Akriti program. We will discuss about Akriti program, but there is a facility, another collaboration opportunity from Jito and BARC, that you can be the technology partner of BARC. You have to give some 100 square feet space. Technology of BARC will be showcased there. That is the Akriti Center, we call it, Akriti Kendra. And you can generate, Jito can generate a good amount, a corpus fund of 100-500 crores as a Jitam or a JIF or JBN or COE, any platform, because all are our Section 8 companies, right? So we can generate a corpus fund under Jito, and we can fund to our Jain founders, our Jain students, Jain बच्चे जो हमारे business start करना चाहते हैं. तो Jito asks for the application from the Jain founders who want to start their business but does not know how to start, what to start. We will select the promising Jain founders जो मेहनत करना पसंद करेंगे, जिनको technical थोड़ा सा समझता है. Give them technology from the BARC. We will give training also and funding also, and Jito will get the equity from that company. जो नई कंपनी बच्चा बना रहा है, टेक्नोलॉजी हमसे लेगा, फंडिंग हमसे लेगा, जीतो से इक्विटी लेगा और उसको फिर सपोर्ट करेगा. तो दिस होल प्रोग्राम वी कैन स्टार्ट इन जीतो. Start mass production with technology from BARC and technical mentorship from AIC, and this is a win-win situation for our Jain founders and Jito also. Think on this line. Now, Akriti Kendra, how Jito can be the technology partner of BARC. So, Akriti program is acronym of Advanced Knowledge for Rural and Urban Technology Implementation. So, we have all technologies we will give to you. You will understand the technology. You will showcase those technology which are important to you or to your area. We can give all technology, but you may not have technology mentor in your Kendra. So you will take only those technology which can be mentored by your center, and then you can have the showcase of those technology. Our vision is for accelerating deployment of spin-off and innovative technologies from R&D to lab. Our aim is to promotion of entrepreneurship, empower the people by giving access to advanced technologies, transforming lives by providing training to budding entrepreneurs. Empower common people with science and technology-based eco-friendly work plan for sustainable techno-economic growth of nation through Akriti program. So this can be done in Jito, right? So सोचिए इस बारे में. By Akriti, we can give advice, motivation, training. We will define the goal for the founders. We will support them. We will coach them. We will give the direction for their future. And finally, they will succeed in their business. Now, sustainability of the Akriti Kendra. अभी आपने आकृति केंद्र बनाया, जीतो के एक 100 स्क्वायर फीट का एरिया आपने दिया, उसमें फ़ायदा क्या है? तो जो टेक्नोलॉजी आप दे रहे हो, उसका एक कॉस्ट है. अभी आपने देखा, जैसे एक टेली ईसीजी, दिस इज द इंस्ट्रूमेंट, ईसीजी इंस्ट्रूमेंट, क्रेडिट कार्ड साइज. इसका डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन अगर आपको देखना है तो कल मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा. इसकी टेक्नोलॉजी की कॉस्ट 1,68,000, जिसमें मैं आपको सब चीज़ दूंगा. इसका सॉफ्टवेयर का सोर्स कोड दूंगा, इसका हार्डवेयर दूंगा, इसके पीसीबी का गर्बर फाइल दूंगा, इसमें पीसीबी में क्या कंपोनेंट लगने वाले हैं उसकी लिस्ट दूंगा, उसमें ये कंपोनेंट कहाँ से सोर्स करना है उसकी भी लिस्ट दूंगा, पीसीबी कहाँ बनाना है उसकी लिस्ट दूंगा, ये बॉक्स कहाँ बनाना है उसका भी लिस्ट दूंगा. ऑल थिंग विल बी गिवन. आपके औरंगाबाद का ही छत्रपति संभाजी नगर की ही एक कंपनी है एंथुटेक प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, नीना निकलजे, डॉक्टर मिसेस नीना निकलजे, दे हैव टेकन दिस टेक्नोलॉजी. विद इन 1 month they have reproduced a thing, first prototype, and they have applied for CDCO certificate now, and they have uploaded the final report. Within a month or so, they will give the CDCSO certification also. So this is very simple technology, very straightforward technology. You need not to do anything. Now I'll give the crisp of the thing. This instrument, bill of material, component cost is 4,500 rupees. Whole thing, bill of material is 4,500 rupees, and this instrument, if you see on website, Amazon पे भी है, जेम के ऊपर भी है, they are selling it 30,000-35,000 rupees. अच्छा है ना बिजनेस? 4,500 रुपये की चीज़ 30-35 हज़ार में बेचो, अरे 25 में बेचोगे तो भी फायदा है ना. करेक्ट. सो टेक दिस टेक्नोलॉजी, वेरी गुड. नॉट ओनली दिस, देर आर मेनी. वाटर प्यूरीफायर हमारे जो है जिसकी कंपोनेंट कॉस्ट 1,000-1,200 रुपये, आराम से 4,000 रुपये में बिकता है, बहुत बिकता है, और विदाउट पावर है, विदाउट पावर है. आप उस टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में भी पढ़िए. टेक दिस टेक्नोलॉजी. आज ही कोई बंदा बता रहा था कि उसके किसी फ्रेंड ने बीआरसी की टेक्नोलॉजी ली है और उसने पूरे एरिया में सिर्फ बीआरसी की टेक्नोलॉजी का वाटर प्यूरीफायर बेचना शुरू किया है. ही इज सर्विंग गुड. सो देर आर मेनी टेक्नोलॉजीज अवेलेबल फ्रॉम बीआरसी. You can take now. So technology which is being given to the Jain founder, the 30% of the cost will be given to the केंद्र, जीतो केंद्र. जैसे 1,68,000 रुपये में किसी ने टेक्नोलॉजी लिया तो उसका 30% अराउंड 50 कितना होगा 53 विल बी गिवन टू केंद्र. नाउ यदि उसकी टेक्नोलॉजी की ट्रेनिंग भी आप देने लगे, आपके पास अगर मेंटर्स हैं, तो उसका 70% विल बी गिवन टू द सेंटर. तो दिस इज अ गुड बिजनेस मॉडल ऑल्सो. आप बच्चों को फंड दे रहे हो, बच्चों को टेक्नोलॉजी दे रहे हो, उस टेक्नोलॉजी की कॉस्ट का आपको भी पैसा मिल रहा है. सो दिस इज द सस्टेनेबिलिटी मॉडल फॉर द आकृति केंद्र ऑल्सो. नॉट ओनली दैट, मैन्युफैक्चर एंड सेल द प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड ऑन द बीआरसी नो हाउ. अब एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे आपने ये टेक्नोलॉजी ली, अब आपके पास खुद भी मैन्युफैक्चर करने की फैसिलिटी है, तो आप इसकी टेक्नोलॉजी आप भी बेच सकते हो, मतलब जीतो सेंटर भी बेच सकता है. इसके अलावा हमारे पास में एक सोलर ड्रायर है. सोलर ड्रायर में आपने जैसे हम अदरक, सूखा अदरक आपको 20, 25, 30 रुपये किलो मिलता है, और उसी को आप सुखा दोगे तो 200 रुपये किलो बिकेगा. तो वो उसकी टेक्नोलॉजी भी हमारे पास में सोलर ड्रायर की, आप वो टेक्नोलॉजी ले लो, अपने आप पे डिमॉन्स्ट्रेट भी करो और उसको यूज़ भी करो। सो उसको प्रोडक्ट को सेल कर सकता है कोई। रिप्रेजेंटिंग DAE इन रीजनल इवेंट्स, यदि मान लीजिए यहाँ पे हमको कोई ऑर्डर इम्प्लीमेंट करना है तो हम जीतो को आकृति केंद्र को बोलेंगे कि जाओ वो आप ऑर्डर इम्प्लीमेंट करो। आकृति केंद्र का अप्लाई फॉर IT डिपार्टमेंट फॉर ATG सर्टिफिकेट और CSR फंडिंग भी मिल सकती है आपको। सो दीज थिंग्स आर गुड थिंग। अब आपने कोई फैसिलिटी बनाई है जो शोकेस कर रहे हो, उसको यूज़ करने के लिए आप 500 रुपीज़ पर डे के हिसाब से यू कैन चार्ज ऑल्सो। स्टूडेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी बहुत अच्छी है, ये आपके बहुत अच्छे काम की चीज़ है। हमारे स्टूडेंट जो इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में पढ़ते हैं, जो प्रोडक्ट के ऊपर प्रोजेक्ट करते हैं, फाइनल ईयर प्रोजेक्ट, उसके बाद उनको सबमिट भी करना पड़ता है, सर्टिफिकेट चाहिए होता है। तो आकृति केंद्र के द्वारा जो बच्चे इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज के बच्चे प्रोजेक्ट करेंगे, उसका सर्टिफिकेट BIRC से मिलेगा। So that is very good opportunity for our students also. So जीतो केंद्र can be one of the center जहाँ पे बच्चे आके प्रोजेक्ट कर सकते हैं, उनसे आप चार्ज करो और BIRC का सर्टिफिकेट हम देंगे आपको। So these are the extra facilities from the आकृति केंद्र। Different ways of collaboration with BIRC, that is high-tech consultancy, as I give you example, radiation facility. There are many more facilities available from BIRC which you can use. On our website, we have given some of the technical consultancy services provided by BIRC. You can go through this website and can find out. Finally, as I told you, memorandum of understanding and agreement can be done. यदि कोई बड़ा काम करना है तो उस केस में you can have उस केस में यू कैन हैव कोलैबोरेशन विद BIRC अंडर MOU और MOA कैन बी ऑल्सो बी डन। पर काम उस लेवल का होना चाहिए तो वो करने में मज़ा आएगा। जैसे हमने एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट बनाया था डीप ब्रेन स्टिमुलेटर, किसने सुना है? डीप ब्रेन स्टिमुलेटर पार्किंसंस डिसीज समझता है? ऐसा ऐसा हाथ हिलता है। PM ऑफिस से मैसेज आया था कि ये सिस्टम बनना है। पूरे वर्ल्ड में एक कंपनी US की थी, मेडट्रॉनिक्स, वो बनाती थी। PM ऑफिस से मैसेज आया कि नहीं, हमको इंडिया में बनाना है। त्रिवेंद्रम के अंदर SCT में श्री चित्रा इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी, वो लोग उसमें इन्वॉल्व थे, वो लोग करते थे, बिकॉज दैट इज़ अ गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज। तो हमारे साथ में उनका कोलैबोरेशन हुआ, हमने वो डीप ब्रेन स्टिमुलेटर टेक्नोलॉजी बनाई BIRC के अंदर। जो मेट्रॉनिक्स 15 लाख रुपए में बेचता था, हमने वही 1.5 लाख रुपए के कंपोनेंट कॉस्ट में बना दिया, 1.5 लाख। अगर आपको वो टेक्नोलॉजी चाहिए, दैट इज ऑल्सो अवेलेबल, परंतु उसके लिए और पेसमेकर समझता है ना, अंदर जाता है जो, वैसा ही वो भी बॉडी के अंदर जाता है। थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट टेक्नोलॉजी है, अगर आपका एक्सपीरियंस है तो वो टेक्नोलॉजी ले सकते हो। वेरी गुड टेक्नोलॉजी रिक्वायर्ड बाय द मेनी इंडियंस। जो टेक्नोलॉजी 15 लाख रुपए की थी, हम 1.5 लाख रुपए में दे रहे हैं। अगर मतलब 1.5 लाख में बन रही है, आपको बेचना कितने में वो आपके ऊपर है, वो मेरे हाथ में नहीं होता वो। तो देर आर मेनी टेक्नोलॉजीज। फॉरेन के जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स हैं उनको हमने लोकलाइज्ड किया, कॉपी करके हमने BIRC में बनाया। एक है बॉडी कंपोजिशन एनालाइजर, फ्रांस का जो इक्विपमेंट है उसकी कॉस्ट है 7.5 लाख रुपए, और मैंने जो BIRC में बॉडी कंपोजिशन एनालाइजर बनाया वो 10,000 रुपये के कंपोनेंट कॉस्ट में बनाया। तो मैं आपको कंपोनेंट कॉस्ट बताऊंगा, मैं आपको बाजार की कॉस्ट क्या है वो मुझे नहीं पता, क्योंकि वो आप इंडस्ट्री वाले हो। आप उस इंडस्ट्री कितने में बेचोगे वो आपका सोचना है, राइट? सो देर आर मेनी मोर टेक्नोलॉजीज, यू कैन जस्ट गो थ्रू BIRC वेबसाइट एंड कम टू मी टुमारो। यू स्टडी टुडे, आज का काम आपका, आज रात में पढ़ाई करो, BIRC की वेबसाइट को देखो, समझो, आपके फील्ड की कुछ टेक्नोलॉजी है तो समझ लो, फिर अपन कल डिस्कस कर सकते हैं। आई एम देयर टुमारो। आई विल गिव द डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन ऑफ टेली ECG इंस्ट्रूमेंट ऑल्सो। ये जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट है ये कैसे काम करता है, ECG कैसे निकालता है, वो मैं आपको कल बताऊंगा। मैं बाहर स्टॉल लगा लूँगा, तो कल अपन इसके बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। किसी को इसके बारे में समझने की इच्छा हो तो आप समझ सकते हैं। थैंक यू ऑल फॉर लिसनिंग।